saludos desde Sevilla.
Good evening.
I've been here too long. I've started to speak Spanish.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we're in Seville.
And we have
And
had
we've probably gone the wrong way. Now we've gone the wrong way.
wonderful time so far.
Yeah.
It's our first 24 hours nearly here.
Yeah, we got here yesterday, so we drove up from Huelva. You saw the other video, you thought, what the hell's all this about? But that was our, wanted to see the home of Rio Tinto mining, the mighty Rio Tinto, the Red River. That was pretty awesome. It was actually really cool to go to where that came from. I don't know if you saw that video, but the impact those people have had on so many people's lives from a decision made so long ago is pretty awesome.
Yeah,
so
they're very massive in WA where we're from.
Yeah. Mining, we're from a mining state, so
yeah.
That Rio Tinto plays a pretty big part. They played a pretty big part in our lives. So
Yes, for sure.
yeah, and all our friends' lives, I think, as well. But we are here in Seville, and we are walking around. We're doing some shopping.
Oh, just a little shopping.
Yeah. It's someone's special birthday this year.
This place is pretty special.
Yeah, so we had to go to a special jewellery maker to get some special jewellery. I wonder whose birthday it was, Miss Money. No, never mind. Okay, so we're going to have a wander around here. We'll come up to this lovely spot in front, actually. And we're going to the...
Resist filming it. It's just beautiful.
It's a beautiful city.
So much to show.
We were iffy on Madrid. More on the... we're on Valencia. San Sebastian, fantastic. But Seville... Ooh.
We've really enjoyed our stay
Yeah.
so far. It's been beautiful.
Yep.
Architecture, people, food, everything about it. It's just awesome. Totally recommend it.
Yeah. If you're ever in Spain, come to Seville. If you're ever in Europe, come to Seville. You'll enjoy the hell out of it.
Yeah.
But we're walking to the Plaza De Espana, which is a big open air plaza, I guess.
Yes, it
We
looks
don't-
awesome on pictures, so
Yeah.
we thought we had to do it justice and
Yeah.
have a look at it.
But that was back there, that was sort of the main shopping district here, which is awesome, and it's a fantastic
Just
spot.
beautiful.
But everyone goes for siesta here. They take it a lot more serious than everywhere else. So, and it is a lot warmer than everywhere else. So,
It's really warm. It's like
Yeah.
35 degrees today.
so we're going to have
Still.
a wander. But you can see sort of just standing
Have a
here.
look around.
Have a look at this.
Look how pretty.
Oh, beautiful buildings. Just magnificent buildings. Like you can see this beautiful church over there.
And
Beautiful
lots
girl
of-
over there.
And lots of palms everywhere.
Lots of palms. It's tropical.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Love
So we'll have a wander and we'll check back in once we get there, eh?
Yeah, sounds
Cool.
good.
Let's do it. Pretty awesome church.
Beautiful.
I'll put the name on the screen because I want to look it up. And this section here is like a big walkway, but trams come. Yeah. So if you don't want to walk, you can tram. I think we're dead ahead, sweet. Yeah. Oh, it's lovely. Each to their own. Each to their own.
No comment.
We crossed the road over there, and earlier today, while we weren't filming, I crossed the road on the green light. Halfway across the road, the light went red. Not my fault. I got screamed at for going across on a red light. Someone said, "Oh, the light's red. We have to wait." So okay. But there was no cars coming. Then all of a sudden someone said, "Oh, come on, you can go now." Straight in front of a motorcycle. And then she got beeped at. See, I'm fine.
He just came out of nowhere.
Came out of nowhere. Okay. Thin air, apparently. Yes. Well, anyway, it's nearly 7:10
And 35 degrees.
and 35 degrees.
Can you hear that?
Yeah,
Could they hear that?
yeah, you'll hear that. The cicadas, they're everywhere.
How cool's that?
Yeah.
It's
But
so crazy.
we've done about well, without even trying, we've done about nearly 11 kilometres walking today. And since we've been left home, so we're nearly coming up to 2 months, we've nearly averaged 9.5 kilometres a day. And that's including travel days and days off. So
Yeah.
we do walk a lot.
We're trying.
No wonder I got a sore hip. But we're almost here at Plaza De Espana. I think it's just up ahead.
Coming up, yeah.
Feeling good?
Feeling great.
Hot?
Yes, it is warm.
It's a bit warm, isn't it?
It's very warm.
Yeah.
7 o'clock.
Yeah. Red light. Run! Quick!
He says
Run!
to.
Run! Pump your arms!
Put 20 seconds.
About 20 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
This is the entrance.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's pretty.
Ooh, lovely.
This is a beautiful city.
Oh,
It's very calm, very peaceful.
oh wow. What was that? Oh, some shade. Ooh,
Smells like horses.
smells like the zoo.
Don't ride those horses. Those horses shouldn't be ridden anymore.
Oh, oh, look at that. Wow.
This place has got a cat problem too.
Meow.
See, and that's lovely because someone cares and puts food and water out for them. That's so nice.
Here we go. So Plaza de Espana. That's where we want
Number
to
one,
go.
baby.
Number
Right
one.
there. All right, let's do it.
Where are we at the moment?
I think we're,
Of course we are. So straight
Come on,
ahead. All right, we've
let's
got.
do it. Come on.
How pretty. Oh, the birds are chirping. Oh wow. I feel like I'm at.
It's gone down about 10 degrees.
Oh, so much cooler.
Mm.
It is so hot here.
Oh.
So warm. I think I've had already 3-4 showers today. Wow. This is a great entrance.
Oh, it's magnificent. Took 15 years to build.
Did it really?
Between 1914 and 1929.
Oh.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Jump.
When you think of Spain, this is what you think of.
See, I don't always think of food.
Yeah, true. Happy?
Yeah, this is really lovely.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Awesome. There's a bit of dancing going on. Do you want to do some dancing? Do some Polish dancing.
No. maybe in Poland.
Okay, cool.
Maybe.
There's a challenge. Hey, Seville is home of the flamenco.
The flamingo.
Not flamingo, flamenco. We missed the dancing, but I think we're going to dance again.
Otherwise, you're gonna have to step in.
I might have to do it.
in your shoes.
In my Japanese safety boots. Alright, come on girls, let's do it.
It's a little bit more.
Dancing was good. The music's great.
Yeah.
But
It's very romantic.
Yeah,
with
it is
the
romantic.
you could say.
Yeah.
Very pretty, very romantic.
I would say, would you say San Sebastian's a Spanish city? I'm going to say it's a Basque city, so I wouldn't say it's Spanish per se.
Well, so far, this
Yeah.
is probably my favourite
Yeah, they have a different language there.
destination.
Yeah, they have a different language in San Sebastian. Like, yeah, different food, different dialect. Everything's different up there.
Yeah.
But no, this is definitely, I'd say 100% Spanish. This is definitely
Yeah.
our favourite by far. And if you're ever in Seville, I would absolutely recommend 100% to come here because it is beautiful.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
The grandeur of the place is just amazing.
Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah.
Everything about it's
Yeah.
great.
So, I hope you enjoyed the video and we're going to see you the next time. Bye.
Bye.